Hello students, in this video I will cover the most significant topic for commerce and finance students, that is International Financial Reporting Standards known as IFRS. Here I will cover what is IFRS, who will issue IFRS, and finally the objectives of IFRS. As you are aware, this video is very much significant for the BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA, CA, CS and CMS students. So let's start understanding what is IFRS. When you come to what is IFRS, the International Financial Reporting Standards are global accounting rules and regulations developed and maintained by IASB, stands for International Accounting Standard Board. These standards are aimed to bring uniformity, comparability and transparency in the financial reporting of entities worldwide. In the sense, whatever financial reporting takes place worldwide of various companies, they should be uniform and they should be compared with other companies, as well as there should be a high degree of transparency in financial data so that the investors can take informed decision. That is the primary motto. IFRS are set of globally accepted accounting principles that guide how companies prepare and present their financial statements and financial data. In the sense what? These are globally accepted accounting principles, rules and regulations in which the companies which are operating internationally will prepare their financial statements so that uniformity, comparability and transparency will take place worldwide. More than 140 countries including UK, European Union, Canada, Australia and many other countries have adopted and permitted IFRS to be utilized and used in preparation of financial statements. I hope you got the idea what is IFRS refers to. Who will issue IFRS? The International Financial Reporting Standards Foundation was established in 2001. This was established by replacing the earlier International Accounting Standard Committee, which was entrusted with the responsibility to issue the standards. So the IFRS Foundation is very significant. This foundation is a not-for-profit organization and it is registered as a private sector entity. The head office is located in London, United Kingdom. The IFRS Foundation International Accounting Standard Board created as an independent standard setting body. In the sense, the IFRS Foundation, under this, the International Accounting Standard Board has been created. This has been created to issue the standard as an independent standard setting body. So precisely, IFRS issued by whom? IASB. The objective of International Accounting Standard Board, that is IASB, is to develop the International Financial Reporting Standards and update the existing standards which have already been issued and to promote the consistent application of standards globally. In the sense, the IFRS standards must be utilized by the various entities in preparation of their financial statements, and this should be promoted by whom? The IASB has to take care of the promotional activities even. The IFRS Advisory Council advises the IASB and IFRS Foundation on strategic issues. One more wing of the International Financial Reporting Standard Foundation is International Financial Reporting Standards Advisory Council. This will advise IASB and IFRS Foundation on strategic issues. Hope you understood who will issue IFRS. This is the basic structure of issue of IFRS by the International Financial Reporting Foundation. Next, we'll take up the objectives of IFRS. These are very important, the objective and the purpose of IFRS. The first one is uniformity in preparation of financial reporting. The financial statements are prepared and published and provided to the general public to make decision whether to invest or not to invest. So that in the process of this decision of invest and not to invest, the general public will compare the financial statement with other companies, so that the comparison possible when there is a uniformity in preparation of financial statements. So that's the reason why the primary objective is to create the uniformity in preparation of financial statements. Enhance transparency. Transparency is quite significant in in preparation of financial statements so that all the material information, significant information is provided and the readers can make informed decision with the data provided in financial statements. Global comparability. See, sitting in India, we can compare our company's financial statement with American company's financial statements even. So that is where we can have a global comparability and we can invest in Indian company or American company. That is up to our choice. So that the basic objectives of preparation of financial statements with IFRS is to create a global comparability so that the informed decisions of the investors can be taken. Investor confidence. Once the financial statements have been prepared by following international financial reporting standards, this will enhance the confidence level of the investors. So with increased confidence level, the investor can easily make the investment decisions. Economic efficiency. IFRS helps companies as well as investors to allocate resources more efficiently by using comparable financial information. See, generally what happens, the investors can compare the financial statements of one company with another company and can take informed decision. When the companies are following IFRS and preparing their financial statement according to IFRS, then the comparison will be very easy for the investors and they can take informed decision. Reduce cost of capital. In the sense, if the company is established in India, it can take loan from the Indian financial institutions, as well as if it is following the IFRS, these companies can raise money from the international countries even, like European countries and American countries. So then what will happen when compared to cost of capital, that is interest rate in India is little bit higher than European countries. So what they will do, they can raise the money from the international market so that they can reduce their cost of capital. That is the advantage when they follow the IFRS. That is very significant for the companies to reduce cost of capital. Aid in decision making. Of course, the IFRS plays a very crucial role for the investors, creditors, government bodies and various authorities to make informed or make prudent decisions. Support convergence. Encourages convergence of different national accounting standards into a single global framework. Aims to bridge the gap between the local gaps and international practice. See what will happen. IFRS has been prepared considering global requirements. Therefore, the IFRS plays a very crucial role in preparation of financial statement as well as bridging the gap between the local standards and international standards. That's the reason why it is very significant. Facilitate global business. Suppose the companies are operating globally. If the company is in India, it is operating globally, then the financial statement has to be published globally. Therefore, the usage of IFRS is very significant for the companies in preparation of financial statement. So these are the basic objectives of IFRS. Precisely, you bear in mind, the IFRS is created with an intention to create uniformity, comparability and transparency in preparation of financial statement. These three words are quite significant. I hope you understood the entire concept that has been explained in this video. I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor, the trusted guide, and motivate me to make more qualitative, informative videos. Thank you very much.